The gods. Throughout the world, history, cultures, civilizations, and the human experience, there were the idea and concept of God. From east to west, there were supernatural forces that were behind the governing of our world. The gods were the explanation behind the reason why. Gods were responsible for the sun and the stars, for the flow of nature and the force behind the inexplicable. The gods held the power of life and death. They controlled the harvest, the wind, and the rain. They controlled the motion of the earth and were behind the mysterious events in human history. The gods, larger-than-life deities that people looked up to for answers, for direction, and for the reason why. And then came a savior, who painted a vision of a God who was not just a creator, but also our Father, a God that sought relationship and added purpose and meaning to life in a way that was not experienced before. But as we learned about the nature of ourselves, our world, and the larger universe from which we are a part, the mysterious began to fade, and logic and reason pervaded. The darkness of the unknown became illuminated by the light of knowledge and understanding. The gods faded away into myth and fables, and a new dawn awaited. And through this new vision of God, we understood that our Creator was more complex and beyond our scope of comprehension. Yet through Christ, we have come to see that there can exist, that there is in belief, this connection that we as individuals and a civilization share with divinity. And so we reach out, we try to reach out for something everlasting. We reach beyond our life circumstances, our situations, our hopes, and our dreams. We reach beyond the stars, beyond all that we know, in hopes to find God.